Hi and welcome to Smart Search AI. Today we will discuss about a knowledge graph builder app by Neo4j. We will see in details how we can install this app in the local machine. Of course, it is very easy to install, not install but use it using their web services. But it is little bit costly to use their Neo4j database online, so you will try to use it in the local machine, but without Docker, from directly cloning it from the GitHub. So here it is it is there in the in their GitHub. So if we see that here it is, if it is see there, here it is there in the GitHub site, that it is there. So it is open source, anybody can download and use it on. Also it is very not, I would say not very easy, but it is optional that you can modify it and use it. So you can for example, just now LLM models are used right now. These three models, if you want, you can extend it to like open source model like Mistral, Llama 3, or whatever you need. So we will do it in our local machine, and let's see how we do it. This is so, and how it works. For example, we take the data source, like this is the structured part of the data source. If we put on the pointer this is the structured part, and this is the unstructured part, where we can put PDF documents, other documents, and image, and YouTube video scripts. We then put it in a graph from the structured, and also from the unstructured we embed it, and using the unstructured Python library, and then we use the embedding model of it, any models that whatever you likes, and then we try to find the name entity recognition, and then we put everything in the knowledge graph. So this image has been taken from their site. So, and then how is the architecture works, or what is the how we do it, how to install. Okay, first we install the Neo4j, which I have already done in my local machine. This is Neo4j desktop 1.59. so we install it, and I have put created a database, which is, if you see, the database is 5.2. so latest version of the database. I have installed it, and if I open it, if we will see, this is I think this database is whatever. I do not have anything in the database just right now. So you see, if I matching all and returning all, it says nothing. I have nothing in the database. So this is an empty text to graph, is an empty database. So this is the first step, and then next step is the cloning the GitHub repo in the local machine, which I have done it in sorry, just a minute, which I have done it in my local machines. I will show you here in online. This is where the Neo4j graph. So I have put this, cloned it from the GitHub, and there is two parts. One part is backend, Of course, there if you want to make it Docker, so that you can use this Docker Compose, but I will not do that. I will do this backend and front end. So there are two folders. First, we need to change this, put the env in the en.env file. You have to put OpenAI API key or DivBot API key. For my use, I have used OpenAI API key that I have, but I'm not going to open it and show it to you. But you know how to fix, how to put an OpenAI API key in the env file. Same like in the front end also, in the env file I have put my API OpenAI API key. So then as per the instruction here, I will open the front end and the command prompt, and I will run. For example, this is the front end I have opened, and then I will yarn. So it will not take some time. Maybe this one may take some time. No, it is also because I have already done it. So then, and in the backend we need to put a Python environment, create a Python environment, which I have already created. In my, you see, in my backend folder of the repo, I have created a environment that is called Neo4j graph, and I installed this part, and then I will run this one. This is unicorn, so this will run as a web server. So then I run it. So it is running. So it is running on the backend is running on 8,000 localhost 8,000, but we were going to reach the front end, which is localhost 5173. So in the browser, if we browser 5173, it's taking some time. I don't know why, but maybe I do it like this. Something has happened. Let me pause the video and come back to you. No, it has come. Sorry, something has went wrong. So then this is the front end working the graph database builder app. This is the front end of the graph database, which is open source, and I am running it in my local machine. You see that here. And then the next step is change the backend, which I have done, and install both backend and front end instruction, and I have also done it. And the next is the local host that which I have been doing right now. So now the main part is connecting this front end to my desktop, Neo4j desktop. So how we do it? Maybe to disconnect. Maybe it was connected before, and now I have to do this. There are many ways you can do it: Bolt, HTTPS, and Neo4j, and things like that. So I am using Bolt, Neo4j, and I know the password that which you can set in the in your database. and username is Neo4j. So now it's connected. So it's connected, and we see we have no data. So but right now what we are going to do, I have found a very interesting paper which has been published just few days ago, June 2nd of this year 2024, that I am going to put it in the because we know that the large language model has not got this information yet. So let me search it where I have put it. Just a minute. Here is the paper. Like, this is chat GPT is bullshit. This is the paper, how it I want to show it how it looks like, the chat. This chat GPT is bullshit, which has been just published online June 24. So no LLM has already trained with this data. So and I have not read this. I will read this. I will chat with this with the graph database. So the main purpose of the graph database, what we are building now using this application knowledge graph builder app, that it takes the text and put it into a graph, and then not only that, and do the embedding also. So and then we search it and we chat with this. So let's do it that. Okay, then we browse and we take this one, and now we are uploading it. It's been uploaded, and now from Wikipedia I will search and see what it has written. So then I can make a graph very easily with so I can put as many folders, as many items, like new YouTube video, text from Amazon S3. If you have something in the Amazon S3, you can also connect it. Wikipedia page, browse more like images and some unstructured documents. So then I try to generate graph using GPT 3.5, because I can do it also 4.0. Let's do it 4.0, which is a little bit expensive, but it doesn't matter for the time. I generate the graph, so it may take few minutes. I pause the video and then come back. Now it has completed uploading the PDF and the text of the Wikipedia into my local database. If we try to see what happens, and this is the local database, and then if we go and if we try to match. Here I try to see all the matches, and I see two node levels, 253 nodes, and relationship showing 50 to 979. So, and also there is, I think there are more relationships. There are 1245 relationships, and if we can zoom it, but let's zoom it using the Bloom. Here you see explore the graph with Bloom. So Bloom is also very efficient and very visual thing. So let's connect it with my database here. For some reason my computer is a little bit slow today. Maybe it needs vacation. Yeah, it is. Yeah. I am going to vacation from next week. Yeah. Okay, then if we try to search whatever it is, for example, ChatGPT. Oh, sorry, not here. ChatGPT. Let's see if it finds anything. Person. Let's do a concept. Just a minute, I come back because my machine is a little bit slow. Okay, now I am back. In the if you see the document published organization, so you see OpenAI published a document from this graph. I mean from this this one, ChatGPT is bullshit plus ChatGPT from Wikipedia. It has made a graph, so we can see like this. Okay, let's expand it. Like it developed OpenAI, developed by a large language model developed by OpenAI, a software large language model. Maybe we should like it's because it needs to be a little bit modified and or customized, or this is software like edited because it has like it's should not show description, it should show ID, so then it is more readable, like ChatGPT developed by OpenAI. And then OpenAI, let's do OpenAI a little bit, partner with, let's who is part, okay, this is Apple, partner with Apple. Then OpenAI expand has, okay, let's do all, what it has all. Now you see it has OpenAI, ChatGPT has entity, ChatGPT is a bullshit like this, and embedding it has also, the document has also embedding, and what is the ID of that? ID is not readable, so yeah, OpenAI is some. So you can if we expand it, for example, expand ChatGPT. ChatGPT is bullshit. Okay, then it has found ChatGPT is bullshit. So ChatGPT is bullshit, has an entity llama, Claude, Bard, Meta, organization. So Llama is developer, yes, it is right. This is who is developer of Llama. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so this is how we get the connection. Okay, then Google developer. Yeah, Bard. Google has a. Okay, then chat. Let's chat. Now you see ChatGPT estimated cost. What is the estimated cost of ChatGPT? Has cost. Yeah. NVIDIA 30,000 NVIDIA GPUs. Okay. What has entity January? What it has done in January? ChatGPT become ChatGPT became faster growing consumer software application in the history by January 2023. Sorry. So this way you can gather knowledge, and all these knowledges from these two documents are stored in the local database as a graph, as a nodes and the relationship, and also it's as they are embedding. And what is the most interesting thing in this case is now we can do the chatting with this. So let's do the chatting. Look, for example, okay, who has why the docu. Okay, let's do who created ChatGPT. Of course, it is only giving answer from this graph, not outside. So of course we know that ChatGPT is developed by website. It is already available in the ChatGPT information. So but it is not coming. So let's do that. ChatGPT has not any access with the information. So why the document is called ChatGPT is let's see why it is called, because I have not read it. Let's see why it is called bullshit. So for some reason my computer is a little bit slow, but it should be more faster because my CPU maybe is running. While not human or a simple tool like pen can consider bullshit machine, this become produce outputs and misleading. Not necessarily due to intentional falsehoods, but because of the way it operates. The document discusses the distinction between hard and soft bullshit, which ChatGPT outputs can seen as particularly certain case. Here also you can copy this one and also details, and see where it page 7778 it has come from, and which chunks it is taking. These three chunks it has taken the information, and you can see that, and also you can hear it. Maybe you cannot hear it
the
right now.
The document title ChatGPT is
now, but I am hearing it. But yeah, Yeah, this way you can chat with your document very easily. So but of course you can edit, of course you can modify and extend it for your you can use it for local embedding and local LLM like llama 2, llama 3, llama 2 or Mistral. So yeah, that is for today, and thank you for listening, and I hope you will like it, and give if you like it, give me a thumbs up on the and subscribe. Thank you.